Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to provide you information related to how to cancel Froya organic subscription. Okay, so I want to tell you if you have purchased any product, then they will automatically provide you subscription, and you need to pay lots of amount for every month, and you are worried about how to cancel this subscription. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you there is only one method by which you can cancel your subscription, and which is also very hard. Okay, so the thing is you need to type any search browser like cancel Froya organics, and you will find these two buttons like cancel subscription terms and conditions and manage subscription. Okay, you need to click on manage subscription, and once you click on manage subscription, you need to provide your registered email address on the new window. Okay, when the new window will open, you need to provide your email address, and once you provide your email address, you need to click on get subscription link. Okay, and when you click on get subscription link, you need to log in into your account. Make sure you have already logged in into your account, and you will find your subscription management page, and you can cancel your subscription over there only. Okay, this is the only method by which you can cancel your subscription. Otherwise you are going to face lots of issues. You have to pay lots of amount, because when I'm checking reviews on Trustpilot, you will see some of the user have paying like $140 per month. So this is a very big amount. So please be safe, be secure, and if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video, my dear friends, and bye bye.